Regarding the establishment of a regional law school here in Guyana, the opposition People's Progressive Party Civic has reportedly taken note of what it terms the flip-flopping by Attorney General Mr. Basil Williams on the issue. On Monday, General Secretary of the opposition party Clement Royce said apparently the Attorney General did not hear or is pretending he didn't hear the instructions from President Granger.
Who said, quote, "The time is ripe and steps should be taken and steps should commence as soon as practicable to establish a law school here in Guyana." Earlier, Mr. Williams, like a star in The Bold and the Brave, had declared, quote, "A feasibility study spearheaded by the Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs has to ascertain whether the establishment of a law school would be a viable option is currently underway," end of quote.
Royce stated that the Attorney General at one point had indicated that looking at the question of the viability of setting up a local law school through public-private partnership, a decision was taken to establish a committee to look into that. Roy added that later Williams would become shifty.
Williams made an unbelievable somersault, which in effect scuppered his president's commitment to establish a law school in Guyana. And as though this was not enough, he tried to implicate the PPP in his shenanigans to secure his get-out-of-jail card.
When the People's Progressive Party Civic was in government, the party's General Secretary explained that steps were afoot to establish a law school locally. The then Attorney General had several institutional engagements regionally on the matter.
He had already begun the work of lobbying and preparing the necessary groundwork, for example, collection of data, the economic and financial analysis, the costs associated with the establishment of the school. He'd already begun that kind of, albeit rudimentary work.
But it is no secret that the establishment and sustainability of a local law school could prove costly.
Where's the money coming from for all these audits, commission of inquiries, investigations, and all these things that are going on? Where's the money coming from all of a sudden for all these things? The government claimed that the treasury is empty, and yet they gifted themselves millions upon millions, probably billions of dollars in increased salaries and so on. And it's a question of prioritizing.
Roy said that had Chadi Jagan succumbed to the bleating of spineless individuals, Guyana probably would never have had a University of Guyana. And Duncan H., GP Nightly News.